In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add high-low yearly in TradingView Pro. This is a really handy feature if you want to see the high and low of the current year directly on your chart without having to calculate or mark it manually. It helps you quickly spot major support and resistance areas and understand where the current price sits within the yearly range. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It can be any market or ticker you're analyzing, like a stock, a crypto pair, or a forex pair. Once you're on your chart, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle or left side of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community-made indicator by typing its name. Click inside the search box so your cursor is active there, and then start typing high-low yearly. Make sure you spell it correctly and give it a second to load the results if your connection is a bit slow. As you type, TradingView will start showing you matching indicators below the search bar. Look through the results for one that clearly indicates it's showing the yearly high and low. When you see the high-low yearly indicator you want to use, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. Now you should see horizontal lines or markings on your chart representing the yearly high and the yearly low for the instrument you're looking at. You can usually hover over these lines to see exact values, and you can customize their colors, line style, and other settings by hovering over the indicator name in the chart, legend, and clicking on the settings icon. This lets you make the lines more visible, change them to match your chart theme, or adjust labels so they're easier to read. If you're not yet on TradingView Pro, and you want the full experience with more indicators, layouts, and features, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also gives you access to the tools I'm using in this tutorial. That's all you need to do to add the high-low yearly indicator in TradingView Pro and start using it in your analysis.